Hey, so today I'm going to show you how I basically style my hair. Now, please keep in mind that I'm not a professional in whatsoever way. I have been quarantining at home by myself because the pandemic is still a thing, believe it or not. And usually what I do is I wake up in the morning and I kind of like tie my hair back with this little clip. And that's it, that's all I do. Now, I don't wash my hair a lot. Not because I'm gross or anything like that, but because I like my hair just needs a wash, like maybe like once a week or something like that. And it's also unhealthy to wash my hair every single day. So I use this random brush that I got. It's not the best, but so what I'll do is typically, so let's say I had to leave the house like right now. Something really quick that I would do is throw in some dry shampoo. I wouldn't brush it just yet. So this is the Batiste dry shampoo. It smells good, but I noticed that sometimes it does leave a bit of residue, so I'm gonna spray that in. So it's really friggin' loud. Like in the morning when I apply it, when I used to go to school, my dad would just like jolt because he'd be working. So yeah, it's definitely loud. Especially since my room is like quite quiet right now. So anyways, I just kind of like brush that in, tousle that in, just because I'm noticing that it's getting a bit dry. And I have a lot of hair fallout. I don't know why, but that's just that. And then what I would do is, so now it's kind of parted in the middle, but what I would do is kind of like find like a middle ground and clip it. So you just could brush it. I've only blow dried my hair and I curled it yesterday for a video that I was filming. So I'm just gonna brush it. It looks like a bit too or not straight, just like, I don't know. But don't worry, I'm gonna throw in some clips and then hopefully that'll look better. So I'm just using these like clips that I got from Walmart. They're just the baby clips. And I usually will just kind of twist it like so and then kind of clip it. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. And then clip it. Now I usually clip it because I feel that because I have such short hair, it kind of like all falls like in my face, and I hate that. Also, in terms of putting on a mask, it works really well. Like a COVID mask, it really helps. The other thing you could do is take all of it and then kind of like push it. Here, maybe I'll try doing it. Usually doesn't work on me, but I'll show it in case it works on some other people. By the way, I cut my own hair, so it's looking like crazy, like a crazy mess. There's just hair falling all over, but anyways, it's looking like a crazy mess. But that's okay because I honestly had to do it because it was getting like way too long and unkempt. So I kind of like twist it. I hope you guys can see that. So I'm just kind of twisting it with my hand, and it's a bit oily, so you'll have to excuse that. And then I am clipping it like so. So that's what that looks like. I don't usually like this kind of a hairstyle, but it works. Now my hair is so short that I probably can't even, like, it's too short to tie the back, but that's something you could do if you're working out or something like that. Another idea would be to it's kind of getting like really oily. I have to shower. I have to wash my hair today for sure. So I parted it to the side now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid this little section here. I wish I had lighter hair because you could definitely see the braids, but now I feel like you wouldn't be able to because my hair is such a dark color. but we're gonna make this work. Can you guys see that? It would be cool to kind of do a braid like all the way to the end, but okay, so that's basically it, and I'm going to clip it here. So yeah, you can't really see it, can you? Because it's too dark, but I feel like it would look really good with lighter hair. Sorry guys, there's just hair falling out everywhere. Kind of regret cutting my hair a little bit, mostly because it's like really uneven, but it's fine, it will grow out at some point. And I just kind of like will fix it. Now these are just some ideas, but typically, honestly you guys, in the real world, it's like I don't have time to do any of this, so I just kind of will clip it. I will literally just clip it to the sides, and then head out the door. So like I said, this is blow dried hair. I think this is like day 3 hair, so these are some ideas for that. Let me know how you style your hair, because I'm actually really curious about that. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.